All right, you ready? All right. What up, this your boy back at it. This is a Goodwill hoodie. And as you can see, what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna bleach the bottom half because I kind of like the idea of kind of having that kind of off-white to contrast the beige look. And so I already did the 3 parts water plus 1 part bleach. I've already wetted it. And so if you look close, there's a tape here because I kind of got the line I wanted to stay. I kind of want to stay to the bottom half of the hoodie. Not quite the whole half, but kind of the bottom. And so that's the only part that's going to be bleached. And so, all right, let's see. Let's get it going. We're going to immerse it. I put the tape around the sleeves too as well. And where's that other sleeve? I use gloves because, for obvious reasons, bleach is notoriously stank and smelly. Nothing worse than having bleach on your hands all day. The bleach smelling your clothes in your hands all day. That's all right. We're gonna let this set. I don't know, probably for about maybe a half hour or so, maybe an hour, maybe longer. And so by the time you see the end result, you won't have to wait. And so, see you in a second. All right, it's been about a half hour with this one. And you know what? This is kind of cool. I'm gonna take it. Again, we got a little bit of the burnt from the bleach. Up here, kind of had this reddish burnt look. Kind of a white at the bottom and some more beige here. So I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna lay it out. I'm just gonna lay it out on the table. Right quick. And this is what we got. And eventually, you see our tape wore off too. Eventually I'm gonna dry it and everything, but this is what we got. Didn't really go quite as planned, but I'm not hating on the results. I kind of dig it. I may even spray some color into it. I'll see how it looks when it dries. All right. I do got to rinse, but I'll do all that later, and you guys will see the final output after I rinse it and everything. All right. Hey, thank y'all for the ride. One more video coming back to back with this one. All right, peace. Okay, this is our final product. As you can see, I'm good with it. I'm good with how it came out. You see the brown variation up in here with a little bit of kind of like beigeish reddish, kind of from the burnt marks of the bleach. On down to here. And this was ideally, when I first set out to do this, I didn't want this much of the sleeve. And I didn't want that much of the sleeve, as you can see. And I had really wanted kind of things, I wanted to kind of stop it down here, but I put too much of it in the bleach, and it is what it is, you know. Even with me trying to put some tape so I know my line not to go across, I'm still good with it. I was gonna add some color to it, but my oldest son told me, he said I should just leave it. He's like, no, just leave it, it's good the way it is. So I'll turn on the back of it for you. Sorry, I'm holding the camera while I'm doing this, so it's not exactly as clear, but here we go. So, similar to where the only part that stayed brown was up here. And so, I'm good with it. I'm good. Champion hoodie, modified, I'm straight. All right, y'all, peace out.